Another nice way to create a product mockup is by using a mockup image from Printify or Printful and then adding it to an image in Canva to customize it so it fits together. Let's try this with a phone case mockup. First, download the flat phone case mockup from Printify or Printful mockup library so you have the exact design. To download the mockup from Printful, go to the product you created, then click download mockup, select the basic mockup and click download all. To download an image from Printify, click the magnifying glass next to the image you want to download from the mockup library and then click download. If the download button isn't working, right click on the image and select open image in a new window. From there, you can download it. If the mockup you download has white background or any background, you can use the background remover tool to remove the background so everything blends together. Now go to Canva and find an image in the media library with a hand holding a phone case. Sometimes you can just drop the mockup on top of without any extra work. But in this example, the hand covers part of the case. If you just place the mockup over the image, the hand will disappear behind it. To fix this, click on the background remover button. It might not do anything if the background is clear. So click it again to get to the tool customization. Then use the brush tool to carefully erase the parts of the case where the fingers and their shadows are, so the hand looks natural. Once that's done, place the mockup you downloaded from Printify or Printful underneath the hand layer, so the hand appears on top. Adjust the position and size until it's look just right. If something feels off, go back to the background remove tool and fine-tune the edges, adding or removing part until it looks realistic. You can also save this edited image with the phone case removed, so the next time you want to use it, you just have to swap out the design without repeating these steps. Another way to do this is by using Magic Grab. Place the original image from the Canva gallery, then click Edit and select Magic Grab. Choose all the parts of the hands. And now you have it. If some of the fingers are not recognized the first time, you can repeat this step and grab them in a separate image. After that, delete the phone image and grab the phone case you downloaded from Printify and place the phone case under the hand and match the size of the image to the phone so it blends better. Let's do the same thing with a different product. This time a mug. Some mugs on Printify or Printful have different colors for various parts, like the inside of the mug or the handle. First, grab the mug from your provider's mockup library. It should be positioned on the side, so the handle is either to the left or right. If you're unsure which size will match the Canva background image you want to use, download both sides to have them ready. Make sure the image has a transparent background. If it doesn't, you have to remove the background first, then download and upload it again so it's ready without the background. Next, find an image in Canva element gallery for someone holding a mug. It doesn't matter what the mug looks like since you'll be layering your design anyway. Now you need to do two things. First, remove the mug from the original image so it doesn't get in the way. Click on the Magic Grab and select the mug. Once it's selected, confirm and delete the mug. You don't need it. Then separate the hand that's holding the mug. Click Magic Grab again on the same image in a new tab. If it doesn't recognize the hand, use the brush tool to manually select. It doesn't matter if you grab more than just the hand. Go back to the edited image without the mug but with the hand still in place. Add a transparent background mug from Printify and position it exactly where the original mug was. Finally, grab the hand you separate and place it on top of the new mug so it looks like it's holding it the same way as before. If the image of the background is a bit blurry, you can add some blur to the mug image with the edit option. Start with the transparency and play with it to see if it blends together. If it's not enough, click on the edit button. Just make sure you select the mug image and click on the blur option. You can blur parts of the image or all of it. I'm just adding a bit of blurring effect because I still want people to see the mug I'm selling sharper than the other parts of the image. You can also add some shadow under the mug to make it more realistic. To find a shadow, search the element and try different ones until you find something that works well. Place the shadow under the layer of the mug so it looks like it's coming from the bottom of the mug. Next, you'll see how to position wall art mockups in Canva too. Like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.